What's going on, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here, come back at you with another video. Today we're going to be going over our top 3 stocks of the week. Now let's go ahead and hop right into it. We're going to be starting off here. Our first stock, as you can see, is going to be Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. It's basically the Amazon of Asia. And this last week or two, they had that announcement that China was basically just going to block one of their other companies' IPOs, basically, and it dropped the stock down quite a bit from $320 all the way down to $252. As you see on the RSI, it dropped below that 30 mark, and it bounced pretty nicely back up. If we come into that 5-day view, you can see we've been on a pretty good run up. Kind of a little overvalued here. Right now, you could see maybe a pullback on Monday, Tuesday, but still great long-term stock. And we zoom out all the way that 3-month again, or even long picture here, that 6-month. Tremendous growth throughout this whole beer bug incident, and that last pullback, that line that it held steady, is right where it's at right now, around that 270. It's at 268, 262, somewhere in that range. So again, that's gonna be our first play. Let's go ahead and hop into the second one. All right, guys, stock number 2 here is Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR. If you don't know what Twitter is, I don't know, you've definitely been living in the basement for the past 20 years or so, even though they haven't been along that long. But anyways, you know I love tech sector, and this is another one that had a huge beatdown at the beginning of November, has been slowly and steadily grinding back up. And again, it's been just tearing up little by little, and this is the kind of stocks I like to ride. The little momentum, maybe a % or 2 each day for a couple days, adds up a lot, and that's why it's on my list at number 2. All right, guys, so our last stock of the week. Looking forward to watching this one, UVXY, or VIX short-term futures. Basically, this is like a fear index. Anytime there's uncertainty in the market, you'll see these huge spike ups. As you can see, $32, and now it's at 12. And over time, it just time decays. As you can see, if we really zoom it out like 1 year, you can see the entire pandemic all the way back out, 135, and then just slowly, surely, dropping like a dead bug. So what I like to do with this stock is anytime it has like a dramatic jump up, even if it's not super dramatic, like went from 17 up to 23, which is pretty good chunk. But anytime it does that, I just immediately short it or buy puts and just watch it continuously drain, because, you know, realistically, it's not going to go up to another $100 run up unless, you know, I don't know, nukes explode all over the world, but that's not going to happen. So again, this is one just to always keep your eye on. Anytime it spikes up, it's basically a good idea just to short it. If you put it out long enough, then you're basically guaranteed to not lose money and make a good chunk of change. Well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be my list for this week. Let me know what stocks you guys are keeping your eyes out for. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.